Hey marketing geeks, we hope you all are doing well. Today, we will share the bunch of new features recently announced by YouTube on its mobile application and web player. Are you excited to explore what's in the store for you? Keep watching to know more. Before moving ahead, subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with digital marketing trends and improve your digital marketing skills. This is one place where you can access dozens of insightful and informative marketing and sales videos, including tips on improving marketing results, starting blog writing, and sales strategies and tactics. Let's take a detailed look at the new features introduced by YouTube. The newly introduced features include most replayed, video chapters, and seek to exact moment. Most replayed feature. Initially, the most replayed part of the video feature was only available to YouTube Premium subscribers who have access to the feature via youtube.com/new. With the new update, this feature is now available to all YouTube users, both free and premium, and will be available for desktop, iOS, and Android platforms. The company has announced that the new update will add a graph to each video, making it easy to find and view the most played parts of the video. This new feature is helpful for longer videos that aren't divided into sections with timestamps or video chapters. YouTube users will have to browse the video using the red playback progress bar to access this graph. The thumbnail above the progress bar also notifies users when they reach the most played segment. Moving on to the next feature, YouTube adds support for video chapters. This segmentation tool was launched in May 2020 for smart TVs and game consoles. It allows users to jump to a specific part of the video or even watch that part again. Another feature released is the single loop. The single loop feature will allow users to put videos in endless playback. Users can use this option from the same menu used to adjust video quality, insert subtitles, and many more. Changes have also been made to full screen mode, as it will now display video information including video descriptions, video chapters, and comments. Next, YouTube has announced a new feature called Seek to Exact Moment, available to premium subscribers via youtube.com/new. This feature allows users to see the exact moment in the video they are interested in. Last but not the least, the new feature announced is the green screen feature for YouTube Shorts. This feature allows interested YouTubers to use videos on the platform as backgrounds for their shorts. Users can use appropriate videos on YouTube or short videos as the background of their short videos. YouTube's green screen feature allows users to create videos using both audio plus video and video only. The green screen feature uses image processing to separate the creator's original background from the recorded video and replace it with the selected video. That's all about the latest features added to YouTube. Thanks for watching the video. We'll be back soon with more exciting videos from the world of social media. In the meantime, take a tour of our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to never miss any updates.